Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to the next part of Lesson 6. This is very exciting. We are going to start using your readers. So what I need you to do is make sure that you have your student reader in front of you. It looks just like this, and it says reader down here in the bottom right-hand corner. So make sure that you have that out and ready to go. The title Classic Tales means that the selections in this reader are classics, favorite children's stories for many, many years. All of the selections, the passages in this reader, are fiction, which means they are not true stories. The authors and the people telling them made the stories up. Find the table of contents in your reader. It looks like this. Do you recognize the titles of any of these chapters? There is Aladdin and the Wonderful Lamp, Alice's Adventures in Wonderland, The Open Road. What page would you turn to see the introduction? You would turn to page 2. Right over here are the page numbers for each of the chapters and where they begin. So where in the world do these tales come from? They're from all over the world. They originate from many different places. Aladdin and the Wonderful Lamp, which is what we're going to start with, is from Iran, which used to be called Persia. Alice's Adventures in Wonderland and The Open Road both came from the country of England. Two of the chapters were written by well-known authors, while another story has been passed down orally, just by mouth and by telling, in certain countries and cultures. The first story in your reader is Aladdin and the Wonderful Lamp, Part 1. Remember, the title provides an idea of what the story is about. So I wonder what Aladdin and the Wonderful Lamp could be about. This story is set in ancient Persia, which means a long, long time ago, now known as Iran. Remember, the one that was highlighted on the map. That was Iran or Persia. This story comes from a book called 1001 Nights, which is a collection of nightly stories a sultan's wife named Scheherazade told her husband. Now, look back at the table of contents. What page will we turn to start this story? If you said page 3, you are absolutely correct. Enjoy the reading, boys and girls.